Now, let us solve another important question. Cot inverse 1 plus sin x under the root plus under the root 1 minus sin x upon under the root 1 plus sin x minus under the root 1 minus sin x, and this is equal to what? X by 2. We have to prove this. Now, a very nice and very interesting concept is here, that what we can write to 1 plus or minus sin x. In place of this, which term we can use? Just check it. Can I write this as cos x by 2 plus minus sin x by 2 cos square x by 2 plus minus sin square x by 2 plus minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now, what I have done, I have just used the basic identity here. This is for cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So, I have used cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 and sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So, I have used these two things for writing 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x with this one. Now, further what can I write for this? Now, what this becomes? A square plus minus b square plus minus 2ab. So, this now we got this as a cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus and minus whole square. So, this is the thing which we are going to use now in our question. Now, question becomes now cot inverse. Now, 1 plus sin x cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square under the root plus square root of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Similarly, for the denominator part, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Now, for the sake of reasons, you can write these reasons as it is, or if you just doesn't want to write this thing, you can just write it that we have used 1 plus minus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 plus minus sin x by 2 whole square. One and the same thing, or you can give this as a reason. Okay. So, now this is whole square. Square root of a whole square is what? Same term. Okay. So, we are left with cot inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 sin x by 2, and in the denominator we are having cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now, before this one we are having minus sign. So, first term becomes minus cos x by 2 and this minus becomes positive, that is sin x by 2. Okay. So, now just unlike terms, I am deleting the unlike terms. So, which are the unlike terms? This one and similarly this one and this one. So, what is left? We are left with cot inverse. Now, what is left? Cos x by 2 and cos x by 2. 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. Now, what we are getting after this one, we got it, and this is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2. Now, by the definition of inverse, we are having this as a x by 2 is equal to right hand side. You can give a reason, cot inverse cot x is equal to x. Here also we can put a reason. It looks very nice when we are putting the reasons. Okay. So now what we have proved? We have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side, or you can write whole of the question, hence proved.